Growth demands transformation. To be better, we must change. Change is inevitable. For over 20 years, we at Ritvi Steel Buildings India Private Limited have been changed to become a better version of ourselves. Effective solutions, dynamic teamwork, committed partnerships. We are striving towards a brighter future for the economy, evolving from our professional buildings to boost productivity. We are also striving for a future for our customers where they can scale up from our world-class services from consultation and design to fabrication, installation and post-sales assistance, all in compliance with the latest international codes and standards. We want our customers to make more profit through the best engineered spaces. We are also striving for a future for our people and partners, where we can win all projects, strengthen relationships, and grow together. The future starts now. From our engineered building solutions to all corners of the world, we are building prosperity and building tomorrow, today.